Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
My work experience before I work in Qatar as a company cleaning. Then I work at Alman Exchange as a teller and cashier.
Can you tell me what are your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
Processing savings withdrawals, follow all banks policies and procedures.
How long did you work with them?
1 year. My work experience there in 1 year.
And why you decided not to continue your contract?
I decided to transfer here in Dubai.
Okay, and how much salary are you looking for?
1,800.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning, and also I love cooking.
Okay,
But I know only Filipino food to cook.
okay. And what experience do you have in cleaning?
Cleaning all rooms, bathroom.
How do you clean a bathroom?
Use disinfectants like Dettol.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
When the baby is sick, if the baby is hot and too much crying,
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
I'm carrying the baby and I give the milk.
Okay. If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
I call my employer then for to inform the baby is sick.
What are your hobbies?
Reading and watching TV.
How long do you want to work here in UAE?
10 years.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
Hi sir, madam. Um, please hire me. I'm a hardworking person, honest.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.